ZB4 15. Yeah, no,
does it play different with it, or is it the same?
I don't know.
You don't know? You want to give me a walk around real quick after you shut it? Okay. Yeah, man, I make YouTube videos. People like to see stuff like this, so figured I'd get a formal intro, everything in here from you.
Okay.
What's your name and everything you got, man?
Avery. I got 8 10s, 6 tweeters, 8 horns. I got 2 8Ks, 1 8K on the Sundown ZB4 15. And I got 3 625 PRVs.
Okay. Whew. Yeah. That's all that loud noise in the back.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Have you metered it yet?
Nah, I just basically
just for
demo.
fun. Okay.
Yeah. Cause we go to all the stores and we have a
yes,
store
sir.
here in town.
Okay. Yeah. What's your electrical like? Your battery and alternator?
I got a 240 alternator, McMahon, and I got 1, 2, 3. I got 3 XM power super caps.
Okay.
And I got a lithium battery too.
All right. Nice. And what's your box chain to?
I think like, I don't know.
You don't know? Sorry. Did you build it?
No.
You didn't? Okay. So did you do the doors or anything?
Yeah.
Somebody else? Okay.
Yeah, I did all the
it looks good, man. It sounds good.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and give me some good feel of it. Oh yeah.
Watch out, yeah. Smash out, yeah. I'm spending on my fucking pay. I got me some braids and I got me some horns. Started rocking the sleeve, I can't roll with no love. You know how I do it, can cruise on my tongue. Tell my pull up, boy, yeah, how about on you going? I get on it, I hear that shit, she know I'm rock. So if I see it, I get my name from the store. I'm with some white guys and they love on the coca. Like they OT. Double OT, like I'm KG, smoking OG. And you know me, and my 2 3s and my gold tee. Bet you smiling, bet you see me from the nosebleed. I'm a new 3, and I change out to my new D. White Iverson, when I started my
That's loud.
I'll let you kill my money, baby. My heart is so deep, I still love you. Got a lot of hoes, fucking monkey hollers. They probably last shot. bitch off. Show me like some bubble gum, something like Rashid. Gotta get my partner some, she on me like a dance. You can't hold back, start flexing like you not. Your man tryna patrol that, I guess he is a cop. But he really can't come if he bustin' at my spot. But I done had enough, cause you making my shit hot. Blowing up a nigga phone, what I tell you in my that bitch off. So what you said, you know I'm the man. You want one now?
Appreciate it. Man. Thank you, man. Thank you.
YouTube channel.
Jacob Viral. YouTube Jacob Viral.
I gotta take a picture of this.
I do videos all the time, man. Woo. Give me a dip. Turn it up, man. Turn it up. Yeah, we're checking out all the systems today. We got to show you. Yep.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'll check out your back real quick.
All right.
Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate it. You'll like to see it. Hey, what vehicle is this? What vehicle?
It's a 05 Buick LaCrosse.
Okay. going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.